Hello. Good morning. It's still morning here in my area. On Tuesday, the 9th of January, new Bitcoin update. I'm running a bit late. Sorry for that. But Bitcoin, we did have a breakout yesterday from that pennant I showed you, based on the ETF hype, and that is also right now a bit the problem. Well, it's a problem if you are fully rely on TA. Any ETF news, rumor or hype can ruin your beautiful TA charts in minutes, and it's much more now, relying on the price action is much more relying or following the hype and trying to deal with that. But I still want to follow a bit of my charts because I do see some things that might be interesting. First of all, over here, not much to be seen. Well, we are above a older key level I have, and if we zoom into this most recent price action, I think we should go to the 1 hour. Then you can see that we had that breakout yesterday, a minimum of a pullback, and right now it looks like we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bull flag here, which is a possibility that we do this ABC correction towards, let's say, 46,000. So a little bit lower than this move, than where we are right now. So this ABC, as long as we do not break this diagonal, we have a chance of making that move. That would be also a perfect retest of that key level, and then I would expect upside again based on the ETF hype. But how far can it go? I already showed it on Twitter. When you look at my higher time frame Elliott wave counts, we are doing this move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 would be a possibility. And you can see that in that third leg, so this is 1, 2, 3. In that third leg, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are at the red box. And what would that mean? The red box is based on FIB levels, based on the length of leg number 4, and could easily extend higher. But in TA, you have to rely on something, and I think this is most logical. What I see here is, it is a FIB level I use very often to determine the target for leg number 5. So leg number 4 here, and now 5. And where are we? You can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But in that third leg, make it a bit bigger, we have one more leg up to do in this one. And so in 3 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Meaning we should see one more up, then completing this black 4, a bit of a correction, and then 5, and completing this 5th leg in that red box. But as said, it could go a bit higher. And over here you can also see that I have the correction I just showed you in the other chart with the green box is in here. Could be completed, or we do a little bit lower. Let me have a quick look. Yeah, well, it is not that. We already reached the 236. A leg number 4 is usually going into this area, 236, 382. So if we go a little bit lower and make that move to 46,000, we are still in that area. So very well possible, or we already break out here and then going for that red box. That would also mean something else. If you look here, we are still in bearish divergence. We still go up. So if we hit that diagonal again, we may see a rejection. And then I would expect still my beloved move towards 40,000 or sub 40,000 before continuation up. This could happen in the next 24, 48 hours. Imagine if there is any disappointing news in ETF or some fuckery by whales and causing some panic in the market, you will see a move lower where I bet on 40k to take out the liquidity CME gap over here. That could very well happen before we make that bigger move to the upside. It is based on Elliott wave, and it is TA. It can change in any minute with the ETF hype, but I still think that there is a good chance that we get that move lower. I'm already long. I'm looking to load up more if we do get that move to that green box today. But then with a very tight stop loss, I would look for that move up, just in case if we do get that big move to the upside, I'm in. And tight stop loss in case we do get the fuckery from here towards 40,000. We can look at 40,000 again for new entries. That's it for today. Much longer than I wanted, but I think it was interesting enough to explain a little bit more about that possibility for the 40,000 move. Stay safe, happy trading, see you tomorrow.